Desperate residents from 14 villages of Gomba West are now in a state of confusion following a recent warning from the president to landlords regarding such practices.
The landlord has no power to evict a Chibanja person.
So for me, I'm appealing to the government to buy the land where land wrangles are.
The escalating tension led Gomba West legislator Robina Rakojo and Gomba RDC Harriet Nakamya to convene a meeting where they strongly criticized the landlords. Nakamya cautioned tenants and squatters against paying amounts beyond those authorized under the Usuru Act.
Here in Buranda, the landlords have been charging people 3 million per acre, that is for council. 2 million is the acre, that is for council. So I'm here to direct the landlords to refund back that money to the Ibanja holders.
Nakamya instructed tenants who had been forcefully evicted to reoccupy and utilize their land.
Then some Ibanja holders, some landlords, they have even fenced people's land forcefully, not even negotiating with them. That one I have ordered. Everyone who has issue where they fenced his land is free to go back in his Chibanja.
Gomba West Member of Parliament Robina Rakojo, citing the Land Act of 1998, warned landlords against illegal evictions.
I organized this meeting because of the President's call on Heroes Day regarding those who are asking for Busulu from the Bibanja holders, and they were doing so unfairly. They were asking for what they call a kanzu, so they would ask for something like 3 million, and yet the official fee here is 10,000.
Rakojo ordered landlords who had illegally solicited money from tenants to return it immediately.
The president had said all those who had taken monies more than 10,000 should refund it to the Bibanja holders. And this is what we had come to explain to these people, to tell them how they should live, how they should coexist, and how they should be honest in their land dealings, and how those errant landlords should give back that money.
Meanwhile, crop farmers reported to RDC Nakamya that cattle keepers were grazing their livestock in their farm fields, and the RDC issued a warning against this practice. Stephen Kayumba compiled this report.